Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is lesson 2 of our Beginner to Advanced Excel Formula series. Today, we'll learn 3 very useful functions: average, min, and max. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you're watching on Facebook, follow our page for more helpful videos. Let's dive right in. In the previous lesson, we learned about auto sum and some powerful keyboard shortcuts. Today, we'll build on that knowledge. Let's begin with the average function. Click into the first empty cell and type equals average open parenthesis followed by selecting the range of values close parenthesis. Then press Enter. Now, just drag down the fill handle to apply the formula to the remaining rows. This will show the average for each row of data. Next, let's use the min function. In a new column, type equals min open parenthesis and select your data range close parenthesis. Hit Enter and drag the formula down again. This will give you the smallest value in each row. And now, the max function. Type equals max open parenthesis and select your data range close parenthesis. Press Enter and drag it down just like before. This shows the largest value in the selected range. And that's it. With just a few formulas, you've learned how to find the average, minimum, and maximum values in Excel, quickly and efficiently. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to comment if you want us to cover a specific Excel topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.